Finally, this land is mine at last.
Sudhir, you can't do anything on this land. This is my land.
Sharad, buddy, have you lost your goddamn mind?
Listen, this is our property. We have purchased it for 10 lakh rupees. What are you doing
Hold it, lady. Let the men do the talking.
Want to talk to her like that?
Or what?
Have given right to him for the land.
My
Enough
God, you
is
call
enough.
him, you call him.
We have
I
to talk to
said
him now.
enough is enough.
You have to call
I have
him right
discussed
now.
about the papers. I have discussed about the land. I have the papers.
No.
And you can't do anything about it.
According to a 2019 report by think tank Center for Policy Research, about 77 lakh people in India are involved in land or property disputes. Such disputes are currently related to 25 lakh hectares of land. Also, investment of about $200 billion is in danger. About 66% of all civil cases in the country are regarding land or property disputes. At the same time, about 25% of the cases in which the Supreme Court has announced its ruling are related to land disputes.
You have seen what is the status of property related cases in the courts. Millions of people are suffering. If you also do not want to get caught in a legal dispute, then you need to be a little investigative. You will have to do a little homework about the property that you are going to buy. Let's find out how you can avoid such lifelong tension by following these things.
Title deed or registry. Whether you buy a house or a land, make sure that you check the title deed, that is the registry. This shows the current owner of the property. In addition, the encumbrance certificate and certificate of search provides details of the previous owners. In the case of land, you must get an on-the-spot inspection done. If the land belongs to an authority or a registered society, then look at the layout plan. Similarly, when buying a flat, you should note whether the developer has obtained other necessary approvals or NOC, including building plan, completion certificate or occupancy certificate. Also, do check the RERA registration of the project. Now, why is it important to find out the filing and rejection? Whenever a property is sold or transferred, then it undergoes filing and rejection. The process of removing the name of one person from the government records, that is from the records of municipal corporation, tehsil or development authority, and including the name of another person is called filing and rejection. In such a situation, the name of the owner is mentioned in the government records. But a leased property will be beyond the authority's purview. In such a situation, you should see whether the property is leasehold or freehold. The property should be free from other hassles including loans. Before buying a property, it should be checked that there is no loan running on it. If this is the case, ask the owner of the property to clear it. The property should not be stuck in any legal case. The property seller should not have made an agreement with anyone else before. It can be checked in the registry office, or otherwise you may have to go to court. Now coming to payment of property tax, electricity and water bills. While buying a resale house, that is an old house, take house tax receipt from the owner of the property. See if there is any liability against the property tax. You can also get information from the concerned municipal office. Similarly, check whether the electricity or water bill of the house is not outstanding. Otherwise, you may have to pay it later.
You have seen that if Sharad had considered these small things, then maybe he would not have got stuck in this mess after buying the property. The mistake Sharad made, if you do not want to repeat his mistake, then take a look at this checklist. The more alert you are in the matter of buying a property, the more you will stay away from legal hassles.